And that is yucky.
Hello, welcome back to another episode of What Would Dad Do? Look at this thing, man. We got to change this one up, obviously. My daughter needs a new shower head, and so we're going to go ahead and take this and replace this one. It's a really simple process. I wish more of you guys would take this on. I'm going to show you how easy this is. We're just going to probably have to have one tool, and it takes you about 10 minutes.
Step number one is to remove the shower head. And that is yucky. Most of the old tabs removed. That little bit right there should be fine. We're going to put our new tape on now. The new package we got off Amazon included the shower head. It includes the tool to screw it on, and then also your plumbing tape. So I'm going to show you how this works. Oh, look, we got a free disposable shower cap. Can't tell you how much I'm excited about that one. The new plumbing tape is on. Looks really good. Now let's screw on our head. And tighten it, and then we're going to use our tool. Here's a pro tip for you. When you are hand tightening this, don't go overboard because these are plastic pieces right here. So what we want to go ahead and do is pop up in our shower and see if we get any leaks. All right, so now that we've checked that there's no leaks coming from this part right here, everything looks set, all done.
That took less than 5 minutes, guys. Now we got a nice, great shower head, replace this nasty old thing. Now we have a nice, fresh blast of water in the mornings, right? Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I'm trying to get my way up to 1,000 subscribers. If you want to see more like this, just go ahead and do that for me. Thanks, guys. Peace out.